Who is quintessential idiot and religious kook Michele Bachmann? This idiot, who was born in Iowa, is a religious kook, a Christo-psychotic, and has no business representing anyone, not even herself. She's mentally ill. Let's just take a look at her most recent quotes. This buffoon, talking about the hurricanes in Florida and New York, said, "I don't know how much God has to do to get the attention of politicians. We've had an earthquake. We've had a hurricane." He said, "Are you going to start listening to me here?" Yes. Earthquakes, first of all, are not caused by God. They're caused by a phenomenon known as plate tectonics. The plates of the continents lining up together and shifting, creating friction between them, causing the ripple effect, the sonic vibrations that are felt and heard and seen. It has nothing to do with God. There's no such thing as God in our opinion, and that's shared by most credible scientists. About 95% of them or better. That number actually grows each day, too, as reality starts to pervade over the idiotic dogmatic fiction of religion. This kook Bachmann is just absolutely out of her mind. Just take a look at her face. Just look at this creature. Do those eyes look normal to you? One of the sickest imbeciles on the planet. This is mental illness right here. You can't possibly be seriously considering voting for a maniac like this. This is what the Taliban recruits. This is what Al-Qaeda's senior members talk like. This is how they sound. This is the mentality. This is Michele Bachmann. Incidentally, it's also Rick Perry, who's got the brain of a cooked shrimp. These people are not viable candidates. They are not electable. If you are seriously considering voting for something like Michele Bachmann, you literally need to see a psychiatrist. We would recommend that you see one in the next 24 hours. Anyone as batshit crazy as these people should be in a padded cell. There's no reason to vote for them. Honestly. Just look at them. Listen to the things they say. They're sick, mentally ill, bat-shit crazy.
Washington, D.C., you'd think by now they'd get the message. An earthquake, a hurricane. Are you listening? The American people have done everything they possibly can. Now it's time for an act of God, and we're getting it.
I'm all too aware of government's limitations when it comes to fixing things that are spiritual in nature. That's where prayer comes in, and we need it more than ever. People adrift in a sea of moral relativism. We need God's help. That's why I'm calling on Americans to pray and fast like Jesus did, and as God called the Israelites to do in the book of Joel. I sincerely hope you'll join me in Houston on August the 6th and take your place in Reliance Stadium with praying people, asking God's forgiveness, His wisdom and provision for our state and nation.